Hi, I'm Manoj, a global marketing and sales professional with experience in information technology, telecom, and manufacturing. I'm a self-motivated team player who's worked well even in matrix organizations with teams that are direct, virtual, placed in one location or across the world. At IBM, I led the team through a very challenging economic scenario, notwithstanding which we delivered the highest contribution in the India-South Asia region. At Infosys, my manager said that I was the master of execution. I had mastered the art of getting things done. And he said I represented the best in the industry at that point in time. At Godrej, my manager congratulated me and said that I had done exceedingly well in the role that was given to me, and I had earned the respect of the entire team in a short span of time. I started off my career selling credit cards for Citibank. It was a hardcore sales job with daily number crushes, and I enjoyed it quite a lot. I then moved on and did a consulting assignment for an organization getting certified for ISO to increase their business. My corporate career began in Bombay at the corporate headquarters of the Godrej Group. I spent 5 years there. I believe I have contributed well into the organization. The most rewarding and exciting part of this assignment was when I had to develop new segments for their existing product lines. This was very exciting because I had to do everything right from market research to business development to sales and to any strategic or marketing activities that needed to be done here. When I moved to Infosys, my knowledge on IT was limited to Netscape Navigator and the usage of some Microsoft Office tools. But I am proud to say that very soon I had ramped up and I was delivering presentations to even strategic accounts of Infosys. Another interesting part in my assignment at Infosys was the development of an engagement platform to attract and retain the talent from the top 10 engineering schools in India. Also, I helped relaunch the platform that harnessed the organization-wide knowledge for a publication that came out quarterly in Infosys. From Infosys to Hexaware, this was a very big change for me. Infosys was the IT bellwether at that point in time, and Hexaware was a $300 million organization. I set up marketing for Hexaware in Europe, and I also did global marketing for Hexaware's enterprise services business. I joined IBM for a very challenging assignment. I led the team through a very difficult economic situation. I had to put in place rigorous management systems for lead tracking. And then we delivered path-breaking campaigns. We got recognized by worldwide best practice awards. And all this resulted in the highest contribution in the India-South Asia region. Currently, at Tata Communications, I handle the sales enablement function. This is a newly defined function. Even as I am delivering tactics to enable sales, the agenda cut out for me is to charter this function for the long term. Previously, I had hired the team and delivered the annual plan for the global solutions marketing function, which also was a newly defined function. This is the paradigm shift that the company has undertaken, and the journey continues. I've worked across multiple organizations, cultures, and markets. I've always moved in consultation and with strong recommendations from my managers. I now carry a rich experience with strong communication, presentation, and interpersonal skills. I'm now looking for a challenging leadership role in sales enablement or marketing. I look forward to a discussion with you. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.